Okay, so guys, our new topic is electric current. Okay, electric current is always denoted by capital I. Okay, now see the definition of electric current. The rate of flow of electric charge through any cross sectional of a conductor is called electric current. Okay, rate of flow of electric charge. Rate of flow of means in unit time how much electric charges are flow through any cross section area of a conductor. Suppose this is a conducting wire. What is the shape of the wire? It is in cylindrical shape. Okay, and this area is called the cross sectional area of the conductor, denoted by capital A always. And consider the length of the wire is a small l. Okay, so suppose in unit time means in 1 second some charges or an amount of charges flow through this cross sectional area of this conducting wire. Okay, that is called the electric current. Okay, so I is equal to Q divided by T. In unit time how much charges are flow through any cross sectional of a conducting wire is called the electric current. What is the value of Q? Q is equal to N cross E. By quantization of charges, Q is equal to N cross E. Okay, so we will put the value of Q here. Okay, now see the SI unit. The SI unit of current is ampere, denoted by capital A. Okay, since ampere is a very big unit, so we will use always microampere, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere, and milliampere. Milliampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. Micro, this is the sign of micro called mu. Okay, mu. Micro is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere, milli is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere, and nano is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 ampere. Pico is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 ampere. Fermi is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 ampere, and angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 ampere. Okay, now there is some note. Charge and current both are scalar quantities. Now, why it is a scalar quantity? Because it added and subtracted by normal algebra. No vector rules are applied for adding or subtracting of electric current and charges. Okay, it will add or subtract by normal algebra. Normal algebra means since 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2i plus 2i is equal to 4i. I is what? Current. 2q plus 2q is equal to 4q. Okay, so we will always use normal arithmetic rule for adding and subtracting of current and charges. So it is scalar. It is the scalar quantity. Okay, now see the next one. 1 ampere. What is the definition of 1 ampere? Okay, see it. What is the value of I? I is equal to Q divided by T. Unit of I is ampere, unit of Q is coulomb, and unit of time is second. S is small s. Okay, so since I is equal to Q by T, so ampere is equal to coulomb per second, or 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Then what will be the definition of 1 ampere? 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Then what will be the definition of 1 ampere? 1 ampere is equal to when 1 coulomb of charge flow through any cross sectional of the conductor in 1 second. When 1 coulomb of charge flow, suppose this is a conducting wire, and through this cross sectional 1 coulomb of charge flows from 1 second. Okay, then what will be the amount of the current here? It will be 1 ampere. Okay, so 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second, or 1 coulomb per second. Okay, now next, a smaller unit of ampere, smaller unit of current. Since ampere is a very big unit, so we will use some smaller unit, that is milliampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. Microampere is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 ampere. Okay, thank you class.